Hi Bruce, just thought I'd show you the search feature real quick. You can search by all of these, or one or two or three of them. So if I can do Joe. I think that's yeah, Joe Bailey is the guy's name. So I can search for Joe that way, and that can come up. Or if I want, I can just search by consultant Joe Bailey. And this is one of the things to talk about. By default, I'm using the WordPress search feature, and when it when it searches for something and knows apparently when it knows it can do it on a separate page, it'll do that. For instance, this is a tag page, so since that's all we're searching, it just looks for that tag and takes us to the tag page. And we still have this here, but it might be a little confusing. I don't know if people don't see, search, for instance, something like this. So when I do this, when you ever put a keyword in, it will actually go to the search page and gives you something like this: search results for Joe and Joe Bailey. I can probably add that to these other pages if you think it's necessary, so that when they search for Joe Bailey and they end up on the tag archive page, I could make this smaller, and then also just like I have on the search page, um, you know, say this: search results for blah blah blah. Um, or honestly, I guess we could just get rid of that and just kind of leave it over here. It does stay populated regardless of what you search for. So for example, if I'm just searching for news and events, then it's just going to take me to the news and events page, and it'll stay populated here so the person knows they've searched for it. Same with consultant, or same with date. So if I was to search, I think there's only one for 2004. Get rid of that and search. Then it'll bring it up that way. So we can figure out what to do with that, or if they have some ideas what to do. And then this is all, this is kind of hard coded in. It's programmed so that when the new year comes around, it'll add that new year. There was one entry in 2004. I think the next one is 2010. So I'll change this so it only shows 2004 and then skips the rest and starts at 2010. And then the categories, industries, the consultant is added here. And what they would have to do is, I figured it should be easy for them to change, or at least add to, although they will have to be a little bit careful. I mean, if you go to posts and you've got tags here, let me see if I can find another person. What they would have to do is, for instance, we'll take this guy, Carter Burgess, copy it. And so then what they do is go to Appearance and Theme Options. And this is the area that handles the home page. And then right here I've got Insights Search Form. And then they just need to put the name in exactly as it is in the tags area. Carter Burgess. Save changes. And so then it shows up here, Carter Burgess. And then I suppose I should alphabetize those. Or maybe they should alphabetize them. And that would probably be the easiest thing. Just put them in the order that they want. Alright, so I hope that explains everything. And I'll talk to you later.